Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos Black metallic paintwork, which does really give it that standout appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, and with this being the Black Edition variant, it does mean the vehicle comes with the additional sporty styling at the front and also at the rear. As well, the Black Edition package does cover the black window surrounds, black rear diffuser and black front grille. Moving on now to the exterior key features of the vehicle, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find the Black Edition specific 20-inch 5 V-spoke Audi Sport alloys, finished in the grey, and they do really complement the black paint. To the side of the Q3 now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, so it's continuing this overall blacked out theme. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Q3, where we do find up to 530 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for an SUV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats, we do find a half leather interior with the additional cloth elements in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, where there's also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and laid out cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, cloth, alcantara and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle gets the 2-tone leather seats with the additional white stitching and the Audi Sports S logo. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display, in which does feature the 2 digital rev counters, and when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view of this overall display. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we find the equally impressive climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months of roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.